Hello everyone, welcome back to CourseChamp's online tutorial series on MIT App Inventor. As you can see on the screen on your right, in this video we are going to create an calculator application in which will be completely made on MIT App Inventor. So let's start this video. So the first step is we have to write down the name for our application. For that, click on the new project and type the name. You can write my calculator, just calculator, or calc, whichever name you like. And after that you will be prompted on this screen, and here the first step is you have to drag one vertical arrangement and make it fill parent on its both height and width. And after making it fill parent, you can give it a background color, like in this case we have given cyan color. You can choose any color. Then you have to drag two text boxes from the user interface menu and give them a hint. For the first you can write first number, and for the second you can write second number. So these text boxes are those in which we will be writing our two numbers on which we want to perform any action. Second number. Third thing is we have to drag one label on which we will be writing result. Here we will be displaying our result. Change the font size, or if you want to make it bold, even if you want to change the text color, you can do it. Now we will be dragging one horizontal arrangement and make it fill parent only on its width. And in this we will be dragging four different buttons: button 1, button 2, third and fourth. Alright, so these buttons will be our action button for our calculator. So for the first we will be writing addition symbol, for second subtraction symbol, third one is our multiplier, and fourth one is for division. You should even rename your buttons also, like for the button 1 you can write add. For the second one you can write sub, short form for subtraction, sub. Third one MUL for multiply. Fourth one DIV for division. Now that's it. If you want to make them bold or change their font, you can make changes accordingly. Let us align each and everything in the center, which looks much better. Alright, let's go to blocks and make the coding for our calculator. So the first one is we will be clicking on add.click. Here we will be adding one set label 1 dot text from the label menu. Yes, this one. Under this we will be putting our mathematics symbol for addition. Under the maths, go to and find one addition button, and in this we have to put the value of text box 1 in the first empty block. Text box 1 dot text, this one, and duplicate it and put in the second and change from text box 1 to text box 2. Now duplicate each and everything and change addition to subtraction. Find the subtraction button. Oops, I missed here. Find the subtraction button and put the value of text box 1 and text box 2 inside, and you can delete this. Again duplicate it. Now here is multiplication, and for multiplication you can find multiplication symbol from mathematics. Here it is. Put that value of text box 1 and text box 2 here. And the last one is for division. Here is the division option. Put the values again. And here we are done with our coding part for our calculator. I have missed here to write division. Now it's completely fine. Now let's turn on our companion and simulate in our mobile application. So here is my application. Let's scan the QR code. My app is open now. Just write any random number. So if we add, this will be the result. If we'll subtract, multiply and division, so the result will change accordingly. Now let's change another number. Again, click on any of the button, you will be getting your results. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, do subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss an update from CoreGems. Thank you and have a nice time.